Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to tell you about O words. Now let's start our work. Children, what is this? Yes, this is a dog and the spelling of dog is D O G. Dog. Now repeat it again. D O G. Dog. And children, what is this? Yes, this is a rod. R O D. Rod. Read it again. R O D. Rod. And what is this? Yes, this is a mop. And the spelling of mop is M O P. Mop. Read it again. M O P. Mop. And children, this is pot. Pot. And the spelling of pot is P O T. Pot. Read it again. P O T. Pot. And children, this is top. This is top. And the spelling of top is T O P. Top. Read it again. T O P. Top. Children, this is log. Log. And the spelling of log is L O G. Log. Read it again. L O G. Log. Children, this is cup. Cup. And the spelling of cup is C U P. Cup. Read it again. C U P. Cup. And the last one is dot. Dot. And the spelling of dot is D O T. Dot. Read it again, children. D O T. Dot. I hope, children, you will understand the O words. Children, this is your new phonic language series, means PLS. Children, this is the page number 22. Children, we have already done this page on board. So you will do this page and also the page number 23 and 24. Children, on the page number 23, you will recognize the name of given picture. For example, what is this? This is a dog. So you will tick on the dog. And what is this? This is a dot. D-O-T. Dot. So you will tick on this word. And you will do all this page like this. And children, on the page number 24, in the first you will write, you will match the children. In this page, you will write the beginning sound with picture and write the middle and ending sound, like this is the, and therefore dog. Dog. And now you will write the middle and ending sound of dog. D-O-G, dog. And now you will match the dog, the word of dog to dog. You will do this page like this with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.